Today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss in Binance spot trading using the Binance mobile app. Whether you're trying to protect your capital from sudden market drops or you simply want more control over your trades, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to trade more safely and confidently. First, open your Binance mobile app and go to the main home screen. Once you're there, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the option labeled Trade. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app because having an updated interface helps avoid confusion and ensures all trading features work smoothly. Next, after tapping Trade, choose Spot Trading. This is where you buy and sell actual cryptocurrencies instead of derivatives. Once you're inside Spot Trading, tap on the Trading Pair section at the top of the screen and select the pair you want to trade, such as BTC/USDT. Choosing the correct trading pair is very important because it determines which market your stop-loss order will apply to. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you already own the asset you want to sell, confirm you have enough balance available, and decide in advance the price level where you want to limit your losses. Doing this beforehand can save you time, reduce emotional decisions, and help prevent unnecessary trading mistakes. Once your trading pair is selected, tap on the Order Type option and choose Stop Limit. This option allows you to set both a stop price and a limit price. Enter your stop price first, which is the trigger point where the order becomes active. Then enter your limit price, which is the price you're willing to sell at. After that, input the amount of the asset you want to sell and double-check all values carefully. Once everything looks correct, tap Sell to place the order. After that, your stop loss will stay active and automatically execute if the market reaches your stop price, helping you manage risk without constantly watching the chart. It's also a good idea to review and adjust your stop loss regularly as market conditions change. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and helps protect your funds. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set a stop loss in Binance spot trading easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with risk management. Why not make someone's trading experience safer and stress-free?